Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bora. Today I'd like to discuss about the surgical outcome of my patient after 7 months, which you really like to see this change, and some of you asking what kind of change we perform in this case. Especially with this kind of cases, as you see, this proportional imbalance look is our goal, our main goal, and we like to improve it. For ethnic rhinoplasty, one of the important factors is to create a balance. As you see, there's an overall high height of the breech. I make this part bring down, shave, and make this part a little bit higher, so it creates this kind of proportion. That's really important. Reduction and augmentation, the balance is the important point. If we do over reduction for this kind of cases, it's going to make it look more wide, so it's important not to make it too low, and we try to balance the upper part and mid part of the nose bridge, and the tip part. To obtain a natural look, nostrils should be slightly wider and keeping them round. That's the goal. So if we squeeze these nostrils too much, it will look too flat, this part, and it's not going to look natural. You can see clearly, of course, there's some makeup over it, but you can see clearly it's still round. That's our goal to achieve with this kind of change. Why we cannot have the same result for every patient? The important point is about skin elasticity. Fortunately, this patient has a nice skin elasticity, and so when we do tiplasty, for giving a nice shape, the skin follows the underlying cartilage. That's a benefit of the surgery. And we make the tip part stronger, so for example when you smile it doesn't flare too much. You can also see from this angle. I'd like you to see how it's still round. There's a natural roundness of the nose, and we keep it nice, soft proportion with the face. Some of you ask what kind of technique that we used in this surgery. First of all, closed rhinoplasty approach would be suitable for this case. With piezo instruments, I shave the nasal bones, which I like to do, because if a person has a wide nasal bones, before cutting them and make them narrow, it's nice to shape them with piezo. And then we bring the cartilage together, nostril reduction, and as I say in the beginning, we raise this part. This is the difference. As you see, it was more empty, now it's more fuller. So it gives this nice and contoured effect, which I usually perform in my surgeries. But if a person has an overall low bridge, it's good to make overall augmentation with rib cartilage graft. Thank you.